Watch out, fool.
Come on, fat boy.
Watch this,
fat
watch
boy.
this.
Look at. Look who's here. It's running man. What you think, you back on the set?
I told you that, bruh.
Your word don't mean shit around here.
Come on, man. Give me a break.
We gotta go hit up the hood.
Hey, CJ.
Let them know you back on the set. The Johnson brothers are rolling again. Take this paint and go hit shit up. Start with our own set first.
Later on, we spread out, take the whole hood back.
You already spreading out, fat man. Let's play. Let's see what you got, poor chop. Hey, wait up.
Thought you'd hang with your brother, huh?
Oh, ease up, little man. Come on. It's been difficult. You want to drive?
Yeah, for sure.
Watch for those rollers as I tag this up. There's another 2 baller tags in the hood. You go get them, and I'll keep the engine running.
Get that heap of crap out the way, man.
Come on, let's cruise into ballers territory.
Get off the road!
You hit this up here, and I'll go up and do another hood. What the fuck? Get that fool!
Get it in gear, damn it.
Carl, quick, get in!
I sure am craving some Mr. Whoopi.
Out of my way.
Get us back to the hood, CJ. Like riding bike, ain't it, boy?
Yeah, it all comes back.
How you doing on the Fetty?
I'm kinda short, you know. Crash took all my paper, man. Left me with nothing but small change.
Here, get yourself a beer or something. I'll catch up with you.